This is the Pelikan M200 gold marbled fountain pen. The pen comes in a cardboard box. It has the Pelikan logo in gold on the top of the box lid, which slides off. There's a gold base to the box. Included with the pen is a small leatherette pouch for the pen. It has the Pelikan logo embossed in the bottom of the flap on the top, and it also has a gold ribbon. Included with the pen is information about Pelikan, the warranty, and just basic information about the Pelikan brand. And of course, we have the Pelikan M200 gold marbled fountain pen. As you can see, the barrel has this shimmering resin that has some lighter and darker shades. It also has a slight transparency to it, so you can see the ink levels inside. It is a piston style fountain pen, so the body fills with ink. This knob here at the end, this white resin knob, is what actuates the piston. So there's a small gold ring between the rest of the barrel and that little knob on the end. Same matching resin on the cap with gold trim, has a traditional Pelikan bill shaped clip, and the Pelikan logo on the top of the cap. It also has a small gold band at the bottom of the cap, which is engraved with Pelikan on one side and Germany on the other. It is a threaded cap that will unscrew and post on the pen. The Pelikan 200 is as a smaller pen, so you probably would want it to post. It also has a matching white section with the rest of the white on the pen. It also comes with a stainless steel gold plated nib and a black feed. There is also a small ink viewing window here. I don't know if you can see the difference. They're just a slight bronze color with the transparency, so you can see the ink level inside as well. Just a great design, a great pen. Get your Pelikan M200 gold marbled fountain pen at penchalet.com.